Matt. Okay. I guess she wasn't comfortable. Mm-hmm. Matt. Let's see. I have a granddaughter named Kylie. Not Kaylee, Kylie. Oh, you know Kylie, huh? Yeah, Kylie and Landon. Yeah. Okay, what does that one say?
You know Kylie and Landon. You know Landon.
Oh, you know a Landon at church?
Oh, do you know Landon?
At church, you know a Landon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Well, I said my granddaughters are Kylie and Landon.
Don't know Kylie, but I know her.
Are you going to read the pages for the doggy? For Claire?
Matt sat.
Oh, good job.
Sam
Uh-huh.
sat. Matt sat. Sam sat.
Very good.
Matt sat on Sam.
Yeah, look at that. Wonder if he was heavy.
He is heavy because look how big he is.
Oh my goodness, for sure. Uh-oh, what's the next one?
Matt sat on Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Sat on Sam.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Is that Sam or Matt?
Well, who does it say is sitting on top of someone else? What's the sentence say?
Matt.
No.
Who's sitting? Read the beginning of the sentence again.
Matt.
Does that say Matt?
Sam sat on
Yeah,
Matt.
yeah. Sam
Who's
sat
on-
on
yeah.
that.
So that's Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Just like salmon that we eat.
How are you? You signed up to read?
Yes.
Okay.
Finish your book, sweetie, real quick.
Sam sat on Matt.
Mm-hmm.
Sam sat. Matt sat.
So they both sat.
Matt sat. Sam sat.
Wow.
The end.
The end. So one's a